Hello everyone, greetings from Joel.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Cartier rimless sunglasses, model CT0017RS in color code 001. The color of the frame is gold. And these glasses are a rimless, rectangular shape. The lenses are brown gradient. On its top right lens, you'll find the Cartier logo engraved in the lens. And the bridge is gold. The temples are genuine horn. And you'll find the iconic Cartier Décor in gold on its temple. This is the inside of the frame. And this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protected. Inside its nose pads are the Cartier emblems in gold. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the dimension of its temple, which is 140, the Cartier logo, and that it's genuine horn, as well as the model number and color code of the frame. On its inner left temple is the Cartier logo in gold, that the frame is made in France, and again, that the temples are genuine horn. The glasses also come with a Cartier box with the Cartier logo in gold on the front of the box, a red Cartier gift box, also with the Cartier logo in gold on the front of the box, a black Cartier case with the Cartier logo in gold, a red Cartier booklet, a black Cartier cleaning cloth with the Cartier logo on the cloth, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Cartier. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out joylot.com and have a joyful day.